we have a wildfire that's burning. Part of that is because of this really dry weather that we've been having here. Right now, Sky 2 east of Houston, burning at the Anahuac Wildlife Refuge. Live look from Sky 2. We're told that the fire has burned 1,500 acres so far.
And it is not contained, but the good news, we're told, is that no structures are in danger at this point. Not clear how this fire started. We will be sure to keep an eye on it and bring the very latest information as soon as we receive it. But in the meantime, Eric, we've been talking about, yes, this weather has been wonderful, but it really is dry, and we kind of need some rain out there.
We do need rain. We don't have widespread drought here in southeast Texas, Christine, but one of the big problems we've had over the past 2 days is we've had really extremely dry air, and that lends to a high fire danger. So don't burn outside. We have limited burn bans out there here in southeast Texas, but rule of thumb for us right now, until we get a little bit more humidity in the atmosphere and even better yet, a little bit of rain around here, don't burn outside.